Hey everybody, welcome back. Tonight we're going to continue to build the range, and guess what? It looks the exact same as it did. It is a little bit earlier, there's a little bit of light out, but we're going to be working into the dark again, so get used to it. There's lights for that. So Moose is here with me tonight. I think I've got a toe tack warm fuzzy collab cigar, maybe some pipes, maybe a little bit of something else. Got some decaf coffee as always, and for the fun stuff, we've got a HK45 with a X300 turbo on it with some spicy boys in the IKEA fanny pack, because nothing says European engineering like IKEA. Thankfully, HK didn't make their pistols like IKEA makes their furniture. Let's get to work. We're gonna do some of the second layer tonight. First, we got to start off with taking a look at some of our wood pile. Well, let me just show you. The wood pile is right here, and it's left from the previous owners, and what has happened is it's sat there for years in pallet form, and now it is time for it to be used. But some of it's, actually all of it's moldy. A lot of it is breaking apart. My hope is to do this for under $100. We're right around there. We might end up being at 200, but basically all the money I've spent has been concrete, and that's it. At this point, hopefully it will turn out. So there will be two walls on either side, wall in the middle on either side, and then we're gonna be dumping dirt directly into it. So come build a range with me. A little bit of tin cup rye, toe tack, warm fuzzy collab. Someday I'll get better cameras and gear. We're doing it on my phone, and if you don't use wired headphones, you're an idiot. Cancer sucks. All right, well, let's light this puppy up. All right, little update. We are cooking with fire, kind of. Starting in on the back wall, about halfway to. Starting in on this one. I realized that this is about 3 inches too far over when the concrete set shifted. Added a little board here, and we're getting there. So hope is to get it all about halfway. I'm gonna figure out how to do the middle, whether it be angle cuts or something different. We're gonna make that work. But it's coming along, cigar's burning down, slowly getting later. We're gonna keep pressing. We're getting this range done. There's a big pile of dirt that's waiting to go in there. All right, let's do it. Alrighty, well, we're about done for the night. Got 2 more boards right there. And smoking our Savinelli 1. Great pipe. Bought it in Europe. Got it kind of like I'll get a new pipe. Great pipe. Honestly, has far exceeded my expectations. Pulled the filter out for obvious reasons, but yeah, good little pipe. Really delicious. Smoking some Peter Stokoby, whatever the coin is. Can't remember what it's called, but don't worry about it. Anyways, here's where we're at. We got here and over here and over there. So we're getting there. Next is the middle. But yeah, coming along. Hope to see you on the next one. Forest Dweller out.